Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to block someone on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram application. And by the way, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now just go ahead and search for the user that you want to block. So for example, this one. Okay, just go ahead and go to their profile. And now you want to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen and click on block. So now just go ahead and choose any of this. So block the user and other accounts they may have or created, or you can just go ahead and block on that specific account. So now just go ahead and click on the block option, and now as you can see here that this our user has been already blocked. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.